Welcome to ladies and gentlemen in the semi-final, a match before final, a tournament organized by the local government, Velaka Municipality Sports Section. This game almost 5 minutes done. Oh, this, can it be? Oh, good delivery from the sideline, but not ball can't find the net. Offside. The ball found the net, but the player was offside. Kosi, position winning from Kosi. Nice ball. So selflessly he shooted, and they are in the way of counter attack. Nice ball. Oh my God. He touched heavily. They must have to score. If they are unable to score, good. Oh my God. And the beautiful chance missed. Nice. This can be the chance. This could be the chance. Single. Oh my God, what he did. Again he missed the chance. This was so beautiful chance. Again this beautiful chance missed. Referee blew the final whistle of this first half. The score line is yet 0-0 for the both teams. यस्तो इन्ट्रेस्टिङ गेमको फर्स्ट हाफ सकिएको छ. यस्तो इन्ट्रेस्टिङ गेम भयो नि. कोसी मावि भर्सेस चम्पापुर मावि. धेरै चान्स मिस गरे कोसीको टिमले. अलमोस्ट 5 ब्युटिफुल चान्सेस मिस गरेको छ कोसीको प्लेयर्सले, बट दे कान्ट फाइन्ड द नेट. यहाँ हेर्न सक्छौँ कोचेसहरू, म्यानेजरहरू चाहिँ एकदमसँगले खुसी छैनन् आफ्नो प्लेयर्सहरूप्रति. यहाँनिर केही रिसको झोकमा, केही मोटिभेसनलको रूपमा सम्झाउँदैछन्, कराउँदैछन् कोसीका प्लेयर्सहरूलाई. Now they have to learn from their mistakes. Almost 8, 9, 10 shots from the Kosi Mavi. Here we go. Oh my God. But they have to score a few free kick in beautiful position. 4 players are in the bar. Good delivery. And they find the net. Kosi scored the first goal in the semi-final. Finally they scored a goal. We can see the cherish moment. The coaches and staffs are happy. Finally, after the 6-7 shots, finally they have scored, and here we can see the two managers of the Kosi's team are in well cherished moment. Yeah, but still they are not happy. They wants to keep this lead until the final whistle. They are also in the pressure. He beated one defender, trying to find his friend, trying to find the net by the ball. And they scored and leaded by 2-0. He scores from here to there, and the referee blew whistles of this final, semi-final, second semi-final, and Kosi headed towards the final. They will meet to the Guring Chauri, Janta Mavi Guring Chauri. Yes, well played. Congratulations to Kosi. एकदम रमाइलो खेलको आनन्द लिने मौका मिल्यो जस्तो लाग्यो. धन्यवाद. थ्याङ्क्स टु अल एभ्रिथिङ हैन. अब फेरि हामी अर्को भोलि फाइनलमा भेटिन्छौँ. त्यतिन्जेलसम्म चाहिँ आफ्नो मनलाई खुसी राख्नु होला, माया गर्दै गर्नु होला, लाइक कमेन्ट सेयर सब्सक्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला. थ्याङ्क यू. सी यू सुन इन नेक्स्ट भिडियो. नमस्ते. हेलो साथीहरू, नमस्ते. नयाँ दिन, नयाँ सुरुवात. आज चाहिँ ठ्याक्कसँगले हिजो क्वार्टर फाइनल केटाहरूले जितेको थियो नि त, अनि आज चाहिँ सेमिफाइनल रहेको छ. त्यही सेमिफाइनल अन्तरमावि सेमिफाइनल फुटबल प्रतियोगिताको सेमिफाइनलको विटनेसिङ गर्नको लागि जाँदैछौँ हामी चाहिँ. टक्क राष्ट्रको लागि खेलकुद, शरीरको लागि खेलकुद होइन त. लोकल स्थानीय सरकारले आयोजना गरेको फुटबल प्रतियोगिता हेर्नका लागि जाँदैछौँ हामी। टक्कसँगले यहाँनिर चाहिँ आइसकेको छ। जाने हो, घुम्ने हो। यति धेरै घाम छ नि, आम घामको त कुरै नगरौँ, धेरै घाम छ। यहाँ हाम्रो टोलीहरू आउँदैछ। ए छिटाइज फाइनली म चाहिँ हाम्रो ब्युटिफुल रामपुर बजार आइसकेको छु है। घरबाट आइयो, बाइकमा आयो, 3 जना। ट्राफिक हुँदैन, काठमाडौँ होइन नि त यो, हुँदैन। रामपुर आइसक्यो। यहाँ हाम्रो कोच छ आजको होइन। यो हाम्रो ब्युटिफुल रामपुर बजार हुँदैछ धमाधम। यहाँनिर चाहिँ एकदमसँगले रमाइलो छ। अनि मेरो एउटा सानो स्टुडियो जस्तो छ नि त, अनि त्यसको लागि चाहिँ मैले 5-6 सेट जर्सी मगाएको थिएँ। जर्सी भनेको थिएँ, यहाँनिर पसल त छ, जर्सी मगाएको थिएँ तर यहाँ अभाइलेबल छैन रहेछ। मैले अर्डर दिएँ 5-6 सेट जर्सी। ब्युटिफुल स्टुडियो बनाउनु छ, 2-4 दिनपछि आउँछ होला। त्यसपछि जर्सी दिन आउनु छ। रामपुर बजार धेरै पछाडि आएको है, एकदम रमाइलो लागिरहेछ। अब हामी चाहिँ आजको हाम्रो स्टेडियमतिर जान्छौँ। त्यसको लागि चाहिँ वेट गर्नु होला। स्टेडियममा गएर सेमी फाइनल गेम चाहिँ हेरौँ केटाहरूले के गर्छ होइन त। म देखाउने नै छु, स्टे ट्युन। ओके गाइस, हाम्रो ब्युटिफुल रामपुर बजार है। गाउँ भनेको गाउँ हो, एकदम फ्रेस हावा। काठमाडौँमा हेर्नुपर्छ, धुलो यति धेरै हुन्छ नि होइन। गाउँ भनेको गाउँ हो नि, सुन्दर हावा। भले सानो घर होला, सानो गाउँ, सानो ठाउँ होला, सुख सुविधा धेरै नहोला, तर गाउँ भनेको गाउँ एकदम रमाइलो भइरहेको छ। 3-4 दिन भइसक्यो आएको होइन। साथीभाइ, गाउँ ठाउँ, आफन्त भेटघाट भइरहेको छ, एकदम रमाइलो छ। के छ जिन्दगी, कहाँदेखि कहाँ पुगिन्छ थाहा छैन। अहिले यहाँनिर रमाइलो गरिरहेको छु। म फेरि 2-4 दिन जानै पर्नेछ। समयले, परिस्थितिले के पुर्याउँछ त्यो गर्नै पर्ने हो होइन त। एकदम रमाइलो छ हाम्रो ठाउँ चाहिँ, यस्तै छ है गाइस। फाइनल बिफोरको फाइनल म्याच, सेमी फाइनलको सेकेन्ड म्याचमा हामी यहाँ उपस्थित भइसकेका छौँ। हाम्रै गाउँठाउँको स्टेडियम। यहाँनिर चाहिँ आज जनता मावि कोशी रामपुर र यता चम्पापुर माविको रहेको छ। खेलाडी साथीहरू रेडी भइसकेको छ है। यहाँनिर रेफ्रीले विसल बजाइसकेको छ। खेलाडी साथीहरू सबै रेडी भइसकेको छ। दर्शकहरूको उपस्थिति पनि आउने क्रम छ। सेमी फाइनल गेम रहेको छ है। जित्ने टिम फाइनलमा एकदम होप आशा गरौँ। दुईटै खेल राम्रो हुनेछ र दुईटै टिमलाई जितको अग्रिम शुभकामना आशा गरौँ। Welcome to ladies and gentlemen in this semi-final, a match before final, a tournament organized by the local government, Belaka Municipality Sports Section. We are in the commentary section. Welcome to all of you. Here we can say the audience are gathering slowly. The match is about to start. We are in the playoff kickoff about to start. The players and match officials, referees are shaking their hands. Semi-final match, Koshi Janta Mavi Rampur versus Champapur Mavi. The players and the match officials are tossing coin. And here we go in about 5 minutes. The match is about to start. The semi-final match, second semi-final match. Gurung Chauri Mavi is already advanced to the final of this tournament. I would like to thanks to our local government for organizing this tournament. A famous Nepali quotes, Rashtra ko lagi khelkud, sharir ko lagi khelkud. Yes, this match really helps the players to build their abilities, capacity. Yes. Here we can see they are talking about something. They are exchanging their sides. Yes. Yeah. To be remembered in blue-violet color, Koshi Janta Mavi. Blue-violet color is the Koshi Mavi, and in orange color we can see Champapur Mavi. Yes. Coin is tossed and the match is about to start. Yes. Here we go. Referee blows the whistle for the start of the game. Kosi are in violet blue. They are seeking opportunity to find the net by ball. Throw in. Double ball on the ground. First corner of this game. First corner won from the Kosi. First half, first corner of this game. Yes. We can say this is not a good ball. Good delivery from the Kosi. Yes. Fall played again from the Kosi. Yes. Defended from the Kosi. Yes. Everyone's heart is beating fastly as this is a very crucial match. Those teams who win this match will advance to the final of this tournament. Fall against to the Kosi. Goal kick. This is not good delivery. Good played from the Kosi. Yes. Yeah. Till these 5 minutes of this game, almost 5 minutes done. Oh, this, can it be? Oh, good delivery from the sideline, but not ball can't find the net. This was the most crucial chance for the Kosi, but the ball can't find the net. Oh my God. Now the turn for the Champapur. Defended by the defender. Ball goes for corner kick. Second corner of this game. Corner one from the Champapur. This is the corner kick for Champapur Mavi. Oh, low delivery. Offside. The ball found the net, but the player was offside. Referee blows the whistle for the offside. Yes, we can see the coaches from the both teams. They are on the pressure. We can see there. Oh my God. Yeah, the player is down there. The player is injured.
नगर स्तरीय अंतर माध्यमिक विद्यालय पुरुष वर्ग प्रतियोगिता 2082 को विश्व सेमीफाइनल खेल
I guess the player is fit. The ball is in play, motion. Yes. Header from Kosi player. Again. Foul.
श्री जनता माध्यमिक विद्यालय कुमार जनता
Player is down on the ground.
सफल भएर डाइरेक्ट सेमिफाइनल प्रवेश
Referee gave the permission for medical team.
जनता माध्यमिक
Oh my God.
बेलायत नगरपालिका बराबर
The match is going to be so interesting.
दुईको खराबले जित निकाल्दै
Very interesting match.
भने अबको केही बेरमै दोस्रो फाइनलिस्ट पनि तय हुन गइरहेको छ पुरा प्रस्तुत छ
The injured player is out for a while. Fall one from Koshi. Fall for Koshi. Both teams have to score to advance in the final. They have to score. Offside. Well, offside trap from the Koshi. Yeah. Again, welcome to all ladies and gentlemen in the local El Clasico Inter Higher Secondary School competition tournament organized from our local government, Belagavi Municipality. We are in the exciting match, semi-final match, a final match before a final game. Again offside. There are too many offsides. Ball was nice, but the player can't find the ball. Ball found hand of goalkeeper. Position winning from Sambapur. Again offside. Too many offsides. I guess Koshi are playing well, but they have to be so wise. Yes, these too many offsides reminded me of the El Clasico matches between Barcelona and Real Madrid. Yeah, the off reminded me. Yeah, till this match, the more possession was of the Koshi. Most of the time the ball is in their legs, but we can't say who will be the winner until the final whistle. Throw in for Koshi. They are on the way to find the net. Ball found the goalkeeper. Oh, jersey number 8 tries to find the goal. Oh, what will be? This is so weak. Delivery. Koshi, position winning from Koshi. Nice ball. So selflessly he shooted. Yes, he have to pass. I guess the person number 9 is ready to take the pass, but he didn't give it. Well playing from the Koshi Mabi. Sambapur Mabi trying to find the net. Corner win by Sambapur. Not so good delivery. We saw the players contact themselves. Still defended from the Koshi, and they are in the way of counter attack. Nice ball. Oh my God. He tossed heavily. This was also important chance. Trying to tackle, but the players beat it. Kosi. Nice skill. Oh my God! This was a beautiful chance. I'm not believing he missed it. Oh my God! Oh, this is so crazy. I think the luck is full in the favor of Kosi, but the hard work did not meet with the luck. He missed so beautiful chance. Single. He was alone there, but he didn't find the net. Oh my God. This can be heavy for Kosi. Yeah, as this is a football, we can't say anything happens at anything time. This was so beautiful chance. He had to score it, but he didn't. Oh my God, I am not still believing. I guessed he almost scored it, but he kicked outside. The ball went outside. Referee blew the whistle for the fall. Fall played. Feeling totally El Clasico. Too many offsides, too many falls, too many chances created. El Clasico, local El Clasico. But this is not the team of Spanish Barcelona and Real Madrid. This is the team of Belaga Municipality. And the ball went for corner kick. Corner won by the Kosi. Weak performance from the goalkeeper as he wanted to try to catch the ball, but the ball goes backside of the goalkeeper. The team is ready for corner. Referee is saying something to players. Good ball. Oh, but from the outside. I thought it was inside, but the ball was from the outside. But it was a good delivery. Just from the outside of the ground. Goal kick. Almost 15 minutes passed out of this match, second semi-final match. But the ball yet didn't find the net. Shot it. Well defended. Player heavily tossed to the players. Players of course demanded for the review penalty to the referee, but the referee refuses to take any action. Well playing from Kosi. Yeah, just rain stopped. Just rain this morning, so the we can spot it. Water gathered in some places of the ground. Both teams' players are in the way to score a goal. They are trying, hardworking, passionate, dedicated to find the net, but they can't yet to find the net. Goal kick for Champapur. The players are saying it's not foul. They are saying even our players haven't touched the players, but the referee gave the foul. Here we can see goal is in the goalkeeper's hand of Kosic. Ball warning from the Kosi. He crossed. They are calling for handball, but the referee refused again. Corner one. Corner one from the Kosi. They must have to score. If they are unable to score, good. Oh my God! And the beautiful chance missed. He is about to find the net, but he defended. Oh, we are seeing too many chances missed from the Kosi player. Oh my God! Oh, can he score? Oh no, defended from the Chambapur. Yes, but still the ball is in the Kosi's player. There is no good contact between players as the ball goes to the hand of the goalkeeper. Nice defended from the captain. Nice pass. But not good contact. Well defended. Interesting match going here. Crossed the ball, but the goalkeeper was there for the ball. Now this could be the chance for the Chambapur. Oh, nice tackle from the captain of the Kosi. Good played. Yeah, but the strikers of Kosi must needs to be clever and be wise. They would already have to think where to attack the ball and where to shoot. Yeah, too many chances, almost two beautiful chances missed from the Kosi player. Yeah, this can be the heavy, as if the Chambapur scored just one goal. It would be heavy. Difficult for remontada. Kosi players, what are they doing? We are seeing loose play from the strikers and the defenders too. These are the semi-finalist team. Must not be fair. This beautiful goal defended by the goalkeeper. Ball thrown outside by the defender. Here we can see his teammates are not happy with his passes. Yeah, the time is almost 5:36. Yes, it's sunshine and the gully football, local football. Audience are gathering here to enjoy this entertainment game. Oh my God! This is the fall for the Chambapur. Yes, we can see. The position is almost with the Kusimabe, but yet they are not able to score the goal. The ball can't find the net by the Kosi player. Crucial sport. This free kick is crucial. They have to score it. Four players are in the line and This is the free kick. But this is not good free kick delivered from the Champapur Mabi. Nice, this can be the chance. This could be the chance. Single. Oh my God, what he did. Again he missed the chance. Oh my God. I thought he almost scored the goal. 3 players are there. No defenders are there. But there they can't find the net. My heart is almost 200 per second, 200 beat per second. Oh my God. This was so beautiful chance. Again this beautiful chance. Missed. What can we say? No words coming from my mouth to say, to explain this moment. Beautiful 4th chance missed almost from the Kosi player, but still they can't find the net, they can't score. Too many mistakes from the forwarders of the Kosi. We can see the managers and coaches of the Kosis are not happy with this moment. No, there was a defender came out to save the team for Champapur. Nice defended from the defender. Fall there, fall played. Fall played, the players are appealing for the card. This is the fall played from the Champapur Mabi.
जानकारी देना चाहन्छु
We are in the last minutes, final minutes of the first half. But the score line is yet 0-0 for both teams. There must be contact between the players to score the goals. Selfishness can't find the net. They must. Football is all about the game of teamwork. Attempt from the long side ranges, but the goal went for the goal kick. Referee blew the final whistle of this first half. The score line is yet 0-0 for the both teams. 0-0 score lines. We have seen too many chances missed from the Kosi players, but they can't find the net. So interesting first half, but the score line is 0-0. Here we go. We meet in the second half. Let's break for some while. यस्तो इन्ट्रेस्टिङ गेमको फर्स्ट हाफ सकिएको छ। यस्तो इन्ट्रेस्टिङ गेम भयो नि, कोसी मावि भर्सेस चम्पापुर मावि धेरै चान्स मिस गरे कोसीको टिमले अलमोस्ट 5 ब्युटिफुल चान्सेस मिस गरेछ कोसीको प्लेयर्सले बट दे कान्ट फाइन्ड द नेट यहाँ हेर्न सक्छौँ कोचेसहरू म्यानेजरहरू चाहिँ एकदमसँगले खुसी छैनन् आफ्नो प्लेयर्सहरूप्रति यहाँनिर केही रिसको झोकमा केही मोटिभेसनलको रूपमा सम्झाउँदैछन् कराउँदैछन् कोसीका प्लेयर्सहरूलाई खुसी छैनन् यहाँनिर पक्कै पनि हामी देख्न सक्छौँ यो सेमिफाइनल म्याच हो एकदम क्रुसियल इम्पोर्टेन्ट म्याच छ दुईटै टिमको लागि स्कोर गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ लिडलाई बढाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ रफ्तारको तालमा बढाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ बट यत्रो चान्स मिस गरिसक्दाखेरि पनि तिनीहरूले चाहिँ बल नेट फाइन्ड गर्न सकेका छैनन् दे आर नट ह्याप्पी स्टाफ्स कोचेस आर नट ह्याप्पी विथ द कोसी प्लेयर्स here we can see almost match positions त कोसीकै राम्रो थियो अलमोस्ट 70-75% पोजिसन्स चाहिँ कोसीको खुट्टामा बल थियो बट yet they are not able to find the net हामी सेकेन्ड हाफमा भेट्ने नै छौँ है एकदम मौसम राम्रो छ 5-6 बजिसकेको छ एकदम मौसमले साथ दिएको छ बिहान पानी परिरहेको त पनि अहिले साथ दिएको छ दर्शकहरू पनि धेरै थोरै आउनुभएको छ लोकल गेमलाई साथ सपोर्ट गर्नको लागि स्थानीय सरकार युवा तथा खेलकुद स्थानीय बेलाका म्युनिसिपालिटी स्थानीय सरकारले आयोजना गरेको यो अन्तर्मावि फुटबल प्रतियोगितामा छौँ सेकेन्ड सेमिफाइनलमा छौँ हामी चाहिँ गोल गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ हेरौँ सेकेन्ड हाफमा के हुन्छ अब हामी सेकेन्ड हाफमा भेट्ने छौँ स्टे ट्युन्ड Ladies and gentlemen, welcome in the second half of this semi-final tournament. Before the match starts, I would like to apologize as I haven't got the well information about the team updates, so that's why I am commenting that the Orange King are the team of Champapur, but I would like to apologize that this is not the Champapur, this is the Puma Thumkas Mavi. I would like to hardly apologize. Okay, ignore that the comment. Enjoy this beautiful game. Welcome to the second half of the semi-final game. Here we can see the referee Suman Magar, assistant referee Sam Magar, Miraj Shrestha, third assistant referee, and so on. Oh, offside flag raised up for the Kosi. Offside trap played from the Kosi. Second half change, time change, side change. The game also should be changed. Yes, now they have to learn from their mistakes. Almost 8, 9, 10 shots from the Kosi Mavi. Not even 2-3 shots on the target. Here we go. Oh my god, this is unlucky. The ball didn't find the net, ball find the crossbar. I think the luck is not favor in the team for the Kosi. Too many chances here in the just second half started, but one beautiful opportunities for the Kosi. Ball found the crossbar. Interesting match. Heart is beating so fastly. They are playing hardly dedicated. Weak shot, but they shot on target, but can't score. Well defended header from the captain coach of the Kosi. Again offside flag raised up for the Kosi. What's going on? What is this match? This is so interesting. Oh my god. They are playing hardly, but the log is not there in the favor of the Kosi. Here we can see still in the ball is in the leg of the Kosi. Well defended from the Puma Thumka's Mahavish player. केही हुँदैन. You can walk. Here we can see assistant referee Sam Magar. Throw in, win for the Kosi. Handball and the free kick win for Kosi. At least they needs to score. I think if the player scores even a goal, they will be the finalist top 2 team. But they have to score a few free kick in beautiful position. 4 players are in the bar. Good delivery. And they find the net. Kosi scored the first goal in the semi-final. Finally they scored a goal. We can see the cherished movement. The coaches and staffs are happy. Finally, after the 6-7 shots, the ball found a net, and now they need to be well tight defend. Yes, finally my voices also raise up. Well, the ball found the net. 1-0 lead to the Kosi against Puma Thumka. Yes, here we go. The time is sufficient. So sufficient time. Yes, here we go till in. Can't say until the final whistle is blown. Now, yeah, I think the match will be so interesting now. Yes, Puma Thumkas will play attacking, and now Kosi have to defend. Yes. Finally the ball have found the net, yet but Kosi needs to be saved this moment. This score line they needs to save. Instead of saving, they needs to gear up to the 2, 3, 4 as they can. Free kick. Oh, but goalkeeper saved. Beautiful free kick delivery from the Puma Thumka. Yes, still the ball is in the Kosi's. Ball is with the goalkeeper. Yes, here we go. Fall played from the Kosi's. Too many falls are playing here. Too many offsides, too many falls, too many chances. This is a beautiful and interesting football. Yes, going to be interesting. I think the time is 25 minutes. Yes, yet it is just 5-6 minutes. We are in the 6 minutes of the first 6 minutes of the second half. The score line is 1-0. Kosi have just scored couple minutes earlier. Beat it, and Puma Thumka is trying to find the net. No fall, no fall. The fall is against to the Kosi's. 2 players are down there, we can see. 2 players are down there. I guess serious injury. This time referee gave falls in the favor of Kosi. Yes, referee for the medical, and he is heading towards to the injured players with some medicals. Here we can see 2 players are down there. Finally they have scored, and here we can see the two managers of the Kosi's team are in well cherished moment, yeah, but still they are not happy. They wants to keep this lead until the final whistle. They are also in the pressure. They are they are saying their players to play well, defend. And after the false played, the match is started, and the coach is trying to lead double, and the Puma Thumka is trying to level. This is football, anything can happen. Yeah, we can see now little bit giving pressure by Puma Thumka after conceding a goal. Well defended. We are showing WWE too here. This is football. We can see comedy, drama, emotions, WWE Raw. We can see everything here. This is football. Yeah, falls in the favor of Puma Thumka. Yes. Now they needs to play well. Free kick for Puma Thumka's player. Ball is in the goalkeeper's hand. Saved. He beated one defender, trying to find his friend, trying to find the net by the ball. And they scored and leaded by 2-0. He scores from here to there, from here to there. The ball found the net, and the scoreline leaded by double to the Kosi. And they are on the way to the final. This is second semi-final. Score line leaded by 2-0. Beautiful goal scored from the Kosi's player. Now finally the suggestions, motivations, anything we can see from the team managers and the head coach. I think this will be uplifting here, utilizing the players. Finally the players are playing well. Many beautiful chances missed by the Kosi players, but yet they played well and scored 2 goals against to the Puma Thumka player. Yeah, the ground is sleepy. Here we can see water there on that side of the ground. Throw in for Puma Thumka. This is semi-final, advancing to the final, and the Kosi are 2-0 lead, but we have almost more time. We have football, anything can happen, so they have to keep this lead. Here we can see managers and the head coach from the coaches. They are happy. Here we go, first substitutions of this match. Puma Thumka substitutions. 12 number jersey in, 3 out. And the game is started. Delayed played from the defenders of the coaches. That was in the danger position. Well sorted from the center. But there was offside players of Puma Thumka's. Still 2-0 lead, but yet Kosi's players are trying to make 3-0. Throw in win for Kosi. We can see the managers of Kosi, they are trying to change some players. I guess they are trying. Oh my god, what happened here? The ball just went for goal kick. Second assistant referee Sam Moger in here, there. Sorry, corner one from the Kosi. Too much positions gaining from Kosi, and here we see good ball delivery, but they well headed by the defenders. Still in the Kosi's player's leg, trying to defeat but can't. Well, but he loses the ball. Trying to shoot. The ball went for the goal kick. Here we can see in the every corners, audience, from the every corners. Here we can see in the parapet, we can see, there we can see in the every corners there are the players and the coaches and staffs of the Puma Thumkas. They are not happy by the performance of this match, as their players already conceded 2 goals. Foul played. They are calling for the yellow cards to the referees, but yet the yellow card is not shown to any players yet. And here we go for the substitutions for the Kosi. First substitution for Kosi. Jersey number 16 is trying to in. 2 players are substituting of the Kosi. I think this is something special made by the coaches and the staffs of the Kosi. I think 2 players, defenders entered theirs. Here we go for the free kick first. Too high played from the players. Jersey number 16 and 3 are substituting in. 15-3. 15 is going to out and 3 is in. 2 and 16. Jersey number 2 is out and jersey number 16 is coming in for the players. Jersey number 3. Assistant referee is saying to hurry up as they have 2-0 lead. Players wanted to do delay, but the referee is saying to do fast. Now the ball is with the goalkeeper. Slowly going ahead, putting pressures. Kosi's player putting pressures. Fall played. Too much pressures and referee has given fall. The player is not happy. We can see they are saying to his teammates to move forward as we have to score. We have to level these scores, saying he cut the 1 players and heading the balls forwards. Here we can see players, lovely skill played, but he can't win. Defended from the players. Kosi. Lovely pass. Lovely pass, lovely beat it. Oh ho ho. Still the ball is in the coach's but he can't maintain well. Can't place the ball well. As here we can see Puma Thumkas heading towards with the ball. Yeah, the defenders came in and well moved from the player. Oh ho ho, this is so weak. But he tried, he is well, but yet the ball is went far out. We are almost 20 minutes gone of the second half. We are in the last minutes, final minutes of the second half too. And the coach is leading with 2-0 score line. Haha, lovely beat it. Champa, sorry again. I spotted with the Champapur, but this is not Champapur. I already apologized. This is Puma Thumka. Once we have witnessed this beautiful semi-final, yes, offside flag raised up. Here we can see offside flag. Assistant referee Sam Mahler has risen up the flag for offside. Now the game is almost in the favor of coaches. We have no more times to level up. The players must have to score. Falls won by the Orange King, Puma Thumka. The ball is in goalkeeper's hand. He kicked ball forwards. Can he scored his shot? But it's so weak shot. The goalkeeper laid down. From this side to this side, this side to this side. This is an interesting match. Interesting semi-final match, feeling like a semi-final match. This is semi-final and you have to put your all efforts, whatever you have, and the players have doing this. We can see this is football. One can lose, one win. Yeah, one have to depart and one have to go on. This is football. Fall in the favor of Kosi. He beat it, crossed the ball, saved from the goalkeeper, well saved and well defended too from the goalkeeper. One best save from goalkeeper. And this is, they wanted to waste time. They want to spend some time. Goalkeeper want to spend some time, as we say, one forwarders trying to press, and the match is on. Well played, passed. Lovely, lovely, lovely. The skills. First half from 0-0 to second half 2-0. This is football, and another substitution from Kosi. We can see the match is still on, so we see the match first. First card, I think, yes, first yellow card shown by the referee to Kosi's player. I think it's heavy fall. I was here in the substitution, but there was fall. And the free kick for Puma Thumka. Here we can see the players are ready to score the ball. Paul's delivers beautiful goal, but this ball directly went to the back sides of the post. Side of the post. Here we go for the substitution. Kosi. 13 in, 14 out. 13 in, 14 out. Another substitution. Jersey number 11 is going to in. But before the substitution, here we go for game. They are doing everything they can. Here we go for substitution. 7 is going to in. And jersey number 10 is departed. Jersey number 11 is in. Here we go for match. We are in the final minutes of the second half. Offside flag is rising up again in the favor of Kosi Mabi. Here we are in the final of Inter Higher Secondary School organized by the local government, Belaka Municipality. 9 higher secondary schools are participants in this tournament. Already 7 players are departed till this match, till this second semi-final, when one Janta Mabi Gurung Chouri is already advanced to the semi-final. Yeah, here is good save from the goalkeeper. Janta Mabi is already advanced to the semi-final, and this match, these both teams are fighting for the final sports to be played on against Janta Mabi. This will be good chance. This will be the good chance, but this can't be. Ball can't find the net. Here we go. Tomorrow we play the final. I think the game is most in the favor of Kosi. 2-0 lead till this time, and we are in the final minutes of the second half. Again, offside flag raised up. Player is going to in. Jersey number 6 is coming in.
क्वालिफाई हुनु गइरहेको जानकारी गर्न चाहन्छु।
Kosi trying to defend and Puma Thumka trying to level. This is football. False played.
छ भने आजको तेस्रो सेमिफाइनलबाट दोस्रो फिमेल फाइनलिस्ट के लिए जानकारी गर्न चाहन्छु। खेलाडी र फाइनल खेल भोलि सञ्चालन खेलाडी परिकर कोशी माध्यमिक विद्यालयको खेलाडी जर्सी नम्बर 6 मैदान प्रवेश गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने जर्सी नम्बर 5 मैदान बाहिर हुनुहुन्छ। भोलि हाम्रो समापन खेल रहेको छ। भोलि हाम्रो
Players 5 is departing and player 6 is coming in from this final movement.
बेलाखा नगरपालिकाको कर्मचारी बीचको मैत्रीपूर्ण खेल पनि रहेको सम्पूर्ण उपस्थितहरूलाई जानकारी गर्न चाहन्छु।
Beautiful ball played from the substitute, just substituted in. Still the ball is in the coach's favor. Trying to find his friend. But this is weak delivery. There is some anger, some emotion, hard work, passion, dedicate. All the combination makes football. Here we go. Beautiful save, lovely save from the goalkeeper. Well suited from the coaches, but the most beautiful save of this match. Well saved from the goalkeeper. Corner kick. Corner kick. Beautiful delivery, but trying to shoot, but the goal kick. We are in the final minutes. Almost 32 minutes gone. Cleared. Throw in. Now they are trying to find the ball, but the ball found the goalkeeper, not the net. Oh, I guess corner kick one from the Puma Thumka. Almost time is gone off, but final whistle is not blown up. Here we can see the managers are quite happy. The ball found the net, but from the outside. They are waiting to listen the final whistles from the major referee today. Here we go. In the final minutes of this match, substitute from Jersey 3 is going to in. The captain is about to depart. Jersey number 3 is in the final minutes of this game.
Oh my god. Goal.
Here we go for the match.
Oh my god, goal. Goal.
Defended from the players. It's still going, interesting. The match is about to end, but the passion is not about to end. Yes, we can see Puma Thumka's players are still keeping hope to level the score, and the Kosi Mavi players are believing they are going to win. Believe you can achieve all. Believe on yourself. Dedicate, passion, hard work you can do. Here we go in the counter attack for the Kosi. Still with the players of the Kosi. Jersey number 7. Suited, but it's too high. The referee indicates for the goal kick. The audience are about to leave the ground. We are in the final minutes of the match. Well defended from the players. They are leaving ground as they knew Kosi gonna be the finalist top 2. Defended from the Kosi player.
जिल्लाखण्डगुडी स्तरीय उत्तर माध्यमिक विद्यालय पुरुष फुटबल प्रतियोगिता 2082
Throw in for Puma Thumka.
दोस्रो सेमिफाइनल खेलको दोस्रो हाफ सञ्चालन भइरहेको छ। कोशी माध्यमिक विद्यालय 2-0 को अग्रता कायम गर्न सफल भएको छ भने
And the counter attack on the way of counter attack. Kosi Mavi
श्री जनता माध्यमिक विद्यालय
can be the 3-0. Oh, bicycle kick, well tried, but the referee blew whistles for the offside. It's offside.
जानकारी गर्न चाहन्छु भोलि हाम्रो समापन खेलमा फाइनल श्रेणीमा प्रवेश जनता नमुना
And the referee blew whistles of the final, semi-final, second semi-final, and Kosi headed towards the final. They will meet to the Guring Chauri, Janta Mavi Guring Chauri. Yes, well played. Congratulations to Kosi. And the Puma Thumka has also played well. Okay, congratulations. Well played from the Puma Thumkas too. This is not yet end, Puma Thumka. Yet the match is about more to go. Yes, there are more matches in future. Well prepare, well do best wishes in your future, Puma Thumkas, and congratulations to Kosi. After the too many chances created from the Kosi's finally, they scored 2-0 lead. फाइनली म्याच सकिएको छ है। कोशी मावि र पुमा थुम्का मावि बेलाका नगरपालिका खेलकुद कोषबाट आयोजना गरिएको अन्तर मावि फुटबल प्रतियोगितामा एकदम रोमाञ्चक सेमिफाइनल दोस्रो सेमिफाइनलको रोमाञ्चक खेल सकिएको छ। अनि कोशी मावि कोशी जनता मावि रामपुर विजय भएर फाइनलमा पुगिसकेको छ। फाइनल भोलि रहनेछ। भोलि गुरुङचोरी मावि भर्सेस रामपुर मावि जनता मावि रामपुर कोशी जनता मावि रामपुर जनता मावि गुरुङचोरी बिच भोलि फाइनल खेल हुने भएको छ। एकदम रोमाञ्चक खेल सकिएसँगै आजको आजको सेमिफाइनल सकिएको छ। गेमहरू एकदम रमाइलो भयो, हेर्न सक्छौँ। यहाँनिर धेरै दर्शकहरू हुनुहुन्थ्यो। अब त लगभग गइसक्नु भएको छ। प्याराफिट पनि खाली भइसकेको छ। खेल राम्रो भयो। त्यहाँ हाइलाइट्स नि म राखिदिन्छु, हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। एकदम रमाइलो खेलको आनन्द लिने मौका मिल्यो जस्तो लाग्यो। धन्यवाद, थ्याङ्क्स टु अल एभ्रिथिङ हैन। अब फेरि हामी अर्को भोलि फाइनलमा भेट्नेछौँ। त्यति दिनसम्म चाहिँ आफ्नो मलाई खुसी राख्नु होला, माया गर्दै गर्नु होला, लाइक कमेन्ट सेयर सब्सक्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला। थ्याङ्क यू, सी यू सुन इन नेक्स्ट भिडियो। नमस्ते।